What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I wanted to show you guys the drone and drivability of the Durango with the new exhaust setup. Everybody's been asking me, well not everybody, a lot of people have been asking me, mostly Facebook, Durango groups or forums, whatever you want to call it, have been asking to do a video driving inside, try and show the drone and do some wide open throttle clips. So let's do it. And last night some fireworks were going off and we got post residue of all the mortars and everything that came down, all the little powder and stuff that all come off when it rains or when I wash it. It's all over the windshield. Oh yeah, also had new headlights installed, factory headlights, because the old ones were starting to haze over on the inside, so all brand new replacements. And I also had new moldings all the way around replaced because they were super discolored. Alright, inside the cabin, but I'm going to do this with the AC on setting 1, even though it's hot as balls outside. I'm going to suffer so you guys can hear the exhaust. Alright, first things first, eco mode, turn it off, sport mode, turn it on, and let's go into power mode. Well, manual mode, not power mode. Alright, the windows are up right now. AC is on setting 1. I hope you can't hear that. Alright, we're gonna roll the windows halfway down here. Sounds amazing. So I'm in 7th gear right now, doing about 50 miles an hour. 2,000 RPM is when it drones to me, when it's the worst. It has a loud boom to it inside. Obviously if you're cruising, or if you are even in that 2,000 mile range, it booms. So right now we're at 1,500. I'm gonna downshift so you guys can hear the 2,000. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it has a little drone to it. And then if you go up, 63 and 8, 65 and 8, there's hardly any drone. So I'm going to do a U-turn up here, leave it in sport mode, put it in drive, that way I'm not manually shifting it, and do a wide open throttle clip and show you guys the brutality of having an X pipe where the suitcase muffler would be, or the mid-muffler, and also having resonators in the back, the rear muffler, whatever you want to call it, deleted. So essentially the only thing that's still in this exhaust system are the cats and an X pipe. That's it. So let's do a quick U-turn and do a wide open throttle clip. I'm gonna try and time this. Oh, I gotta turn the AC down. I forgot I turned it up. I'm gonna try to time this to where there's not many people, if any, just in case there's an undercover cop somewhere. So sport mode. I'm gonna hammer it right now. It's not bad. Windows down. lot of wind noise. Too windy outside. I can't do it with the windows down. Oh well. There's a stupid rattling noise coming from that center speaker. That's an audible speaker where the directions come from if you're using Waze or anything connected to your phone. That's an audible speaker. My assumption is, at least, that's where I can hear it. But there's something in that area that causes a slight rattle at different speeds or different roads. Sometimes it can be annoying, but oh well. No big deal.